Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Liz. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I got back from work probably a few hours ago, and I've been just sitting on the toilet when I get in. And I sat there for so long and just waste so much time. But it's just something that I like to do. Just come home and sit on my toilet. I feel at home, just doing absolutely nothing. Anyways, I'm doing some laundry. I kind of like pause the machine because she'll make too much noise just so I can talk to you guys. By the time you guys are watching this, I'm in Paris for my birthday. It's my birthday today. Well, not today, but on the day that you're watching this, Sunday. And I decided to book myself a solo trip to Paris. So you guys can stay tuned for the vlogs. I'm gonna be vlogging, of course. And yeah, very excited. I've never been to Paris before, and I've decided that I'm going to take the Eurostar to Paris, which is such a whole different experience for me. And was like, you know what, even though it's more expensive than taking a flight, I just want to do this, and I want to do this for me. I want to take the train, even though it's longer as well. Take the train and just have the whole experience. So that's what I'm going to do. I planned the whole trip, everything, book like a few things to do on Sunday to spend my birthday. I just need to find like a restaurant, but I also need to go and kind of explore the area that I'm staying. Just so if there's a restaurant, I can just pop in there. I kind of want to avoid most of like the popular restaurants in a sense, because I don't want to be waiting in a queue too long and then to be disappointed. Anyways, I took some outfits out. I haven't bought one outfit. When my tailor said the way work off me by the throat, I don't even have time to look for an outfit online or anything. And when I come home, I was just like, oh, I just couldn't be asked. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go in my closet and I'm going to search for things that Ooh, I'm gonna search for things that I have in there and basically just mix and match stuff. I'm only going for a few days, so it's not like a week trip or so. So yeah, I don't think I need to buy anything, so I'll just see what I can find. I took some stuff out last night. I have my suitcase here. One thing I need to remember, guys, you know where it from now, because if I forget the passport day, because I'm taking the train, if I ever forget this passport, if I ever forget this passport, it's game over. One thing though, I kind of keep all my docs in kind of one stuff, so I always know where they are, but I just need to make sure say it there right in front. They say in my eye. So passport is there, so we just need to put her in the bag. When we put her in the bag, and in terms of outfit, I can pack with you guys tomorrow. This is gonna be like a Friday Saturday vlog, and then of course the actual day, I don't know if I'm gonna vlog like we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. With me, you just never know where you're gonna get, yeah. But we'll see how it goes. Anyways, yeah, I just want to tell you guys that I booked a trip. I'm currently in Paris. I think she's probably enjoying for sure, because one thing about her, she's gonna enjoy herself when she's alone. Like, she literally thrive in her own company. So future me is definitely having a good time. She's definitely exploring. She's definitely vlogging. She's having a good time. Probably trying out some restaurant, because she's not scared for going to a restaurant and just sit down and eat and enjoy. So future me is doing that, or probably on a boat tour somewhere just having a good time. But we will see in the future vlog what future me ending up doing. Now I'm pretty much trying to clean up, because I want to make sure that I come back to like a clean house. It's not really dirty, I'll say. I just need to like wash my sheets. Like I say, I'm doing some laundry at the moment, and I also need to like just do some dusting, and that's pretty much it. You guys see me pretty much clean every single week. This place gets so dusty sometimes. I don't know where the dust come from, because I hardly even open the windows, so nothing not really flying. So I don't know where the dust come from, but I try to dust like when my seat and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Dust and wipe, make sure it's in here nice and fresh and clean when I come back, so I can just, yeah, because I'm going back to work like the next day, but I'm probably just gonna work from home because there's no need. Definitely wanna see if I can wash my makeup brushes. I do have clean makeup brushes, but the ones that I use every day, they are a bit dirty, so I could wash them, because I'm probably gonna be wearing makeup on my trip. I'm gonna try and get some photos and stuff. I haven't took photos in a while, maybe because I now changed over to like a video girl. It just makes my life easier. Sometimes when you try different things on social, you just have to go with what makes your life easier. And because I do work like a 9 to 5, it wasn't sustainable for me to be taking photos every single weekend. it was just a little bit draining. So I find that just doing video content and just doing it in my comfort of my own house, when I come from work, I can just do it, or just have the camera just running in the background even though I'm not have space. It just work out a lot easier for me. It's just a bit more sustainable. It's not like as stressful as when me that take like fashion content. So try different things, see what really works for you, and you just go from there. Or message me. I got distracted. I can't remember what I was saying. Something about makeup, I think. About my makeup brushes. Anyways, these, I need to see to wash these ones. These are like my everyday makeup brushes. I'm gonna bring probably the same thing. To be fair, I do need to get like a foundation, but I'm gonna see if I can probably find some time to pop in store and get like a few bits when I am in Paris as well. So like foundation, and I need to get like a blush, and I need to get like just some new bits, like some stuff that finished for me. I'm gonna see if I can probably get them there. I should have like free time. I didn't really book up all my time. I like when I'm traveling, I have free time to probably change and do something, so I can have time to do that. May I have a proper wedgie, lad. Anyways guys, I'm gonna crack on. I'm gonna see if I can probably think about what I want to eat, type of thing. So for the longest while, I haven't had noodles in my shop. And I went in shop the other day. I can't remember what I went for. I think I went to buy something. I can't remember. But it wasn't like a regular grocery shop. It was like a midweek type of thing. And I wanted to grab something. Oh, I hate this counter. Every time I have to climb up. Just need to grab my chair. Yeah, so they didn't have noodles for a while. And I ended up buying just 3 of these because I realized that they have chicken noodles. I just like to have it because, to be fair, sometimes when I come home I'm so tired, but I also still need to eat. So I'll just do the noodles and then put some egg in it, and that way at least I can still have my protein. And then I will do like a protein shake, and at least that will hold me, because to be working all day, sis, come back in and then having to cook, go to the gym actually, and then come back in and having to cook, sometimes it's like a full-time job on its own. So I just make do, you know. And this is what I do for me, the local noodles sometimes. Oh, it's not as bad as it sounds. It's just laziness. And then sometimes I just want to have at least a little bit of time during the day to like do absolutely nothing. So whether that looks like basically just lying down on my sofa and just relaxing, because it's necessary for me. I need to have relaxation between every little thing I do. Otherwise I can't function. Anyways, we're gonna make some noodles and we're gonna make some eggs, and I won't make today's part of the vlog too long because, like I said, I'm gonna be vlogging again tomorrow, and I'm gonna be showing you guys like me just packing for my trip and stuff, and basically just getting myself ready. We're gonna do some cleaning as well, so stay tuned for that part. Not like a lot of cleaning, it's just like making sure things are like nice and tidy, and my laundry is like washed and bathroom is like clean. Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm currently packing for my trip tomorrow. I film like a pack with me thing on TikTok, so if you want to see like me packing properly, then you can go ahead and check it out there. But I'm just putting some stuff together. I tried on some outfits before. I didn't really show you guys, but you will see anyway, like what I wear and stuff. I basically put like some very casual fits together and some warm fits because it's going to rain. I think the only thing I need to pack now are my stuff that I'm going to use tomorrow, and I need to pack like my extension lead and stuff, which I need to write down because I can't forget that, otherwise we won't be able to charge camera and stuff. So I need to bring like my extension lead, pack like toothbrush, toothpaste, yeah, stuff like that, which I should pack tomorrow. I have my underwears in here. I packed just one PJs, perfume, this hat will take up so much space. Probably should just wear it on my head. I probably don't need this jacket, to be fair, because I already am bringing 2 jackets. In total it's gonna be 3. You know what, I do love jackets, and the jackets that I'm bringing, they're the ones that really make the outfit, because the outfit itself is quite simple, but then the jacket kind of make it look a little bit more put together, which that is why I really love jackets, because I can wear the simplest outfit and have a nice jacket on and it looks really nice. Hopefully everything will fit in this. It's looking a bit rough because my makeup is not in there yet, and my skincare is not in there yet, and the extension is not in there yet, and the suitcase looks full already, and I'm going for 2 nights. It looks like I'm gonna have to bring another bag. I didn't want to bring any other bag because I just want to keep it light. I don't want to be traveling with too much stuff, and I don't have a backpack. If I had a backpack, like a really nice one, then I could put stuff in there and then carry that on my back, and that way it's not too much in my hand to carry. But if I bring like another bag plus a crossbody, it's gonna be just a bit too much. So we really have to try and make things work. I need to make dinner tonight as well, guys. I'm just gonna leave this here until we can sort stuff out. I need to make dinner as well. I think for dinner I'm probably gonna do some chicken, expired tomorrow, so I'll use it up today, and I'm gonna do like chicken, egg noodles, and I'm gonna put it in like some sweet and sour sauce, no, sweet chili. So we're gonna do this, some egg noodles, gonna put some veggies in there. That's so nice. That would be easy to cook. I need to like wash up dishes as well. Anyways, let me just start doing stuff instead of saying I'm gonna do it and wasting time basically. In advance if I let you down, I'm rolling so sweet. In advance if I let you down, I'm rolling stone. I'm rolling stone. Finished cleaning up, and I basically just came out of the shower. I am going to start making dinner now. I already seasoned my chicken. Like I said, I'm just gonna do like the egg noodles, so it should be something like really quick because that take like 4 minutes. So I just need to cook the chicken, and then we're gonna add it to the noodles and then season it and stuff. Have the chicken here. I'm not gonna make a lot of this actually. We'll think about it while we're at it. I was gonna say I'm not gonna make a lot of it, but I already cut up like so much chicken. So I was just thinking I can just store it in the fridge, I guess. It should be fine. I was doing RDL today, but I used like a different machine to do RDL. Normally I just use one of the barbells and I'll do it that way. But I use the one on the machine, and I think I wasn't positioned right. And my back is basically just killing me right now. That's what I get for trying new things. Sometimes you just need to stick to the you know. Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely in the room. Breathing slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, say, ooh. I just finished having my dinner. It was so good. Literally, it's like so late now and I am so tired, but I'm gonna really try and edit this vlog for you guys. Otherwise I just don't know when it's gonna go up, so I'm gonna try and see if I can edit it. Oh my gosh, my back, this is actually a mistake. How am I gonna do all that walking with my back hurting like this? I'm gonna try and do some stretches before I go to bed tonight. But if I dedicate 2 hours or so, which will be I'm editing on my actual birthday. Yeah. Jesus Christ, feel like an old lady. I'm gonna edit for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you did enjoy, and please stay tuned for the travel vlogs because I'm definitely going to be vlogging for you guys, so stay tuned for that. But like always, if you want to see more content from myself and you haven't yet caught up on all my videos, you can go ahead and check those out, and I will be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.